Alright, so for our wine glasses, I'm going to be using this SVG from Auntie Tay, and I thought this would be perfect because, you know, putting these on wine glass, here for the booze, I mean, you really just don't get any better than that. So the great thing about these SVGs is this is basically it. We don't have to do anything else except size it and cut it out. So it's super, super duper easy and easy to work with. So first I just want to, alright, so for wine glasses, the smaller the SVG is or the text is, it's going to make it a lot easier to work with. So I am going to size this to about, it looks really small, but when I make it 100% it looks a little bit bigger. So 3 by 3 is usually, this gives you a nice gap between the top of the glass and the bottom where it starts to curve. So really, that is basically it. We really don't have to do anything more to this. So we can go to make it and see what our mats look like. So you can see we have our black mat here with the black text and the ghost eyes. We have the orange mat, the yellow, and the green. So super duper easy. So we can come over here to continue. I'm going to cut this with my maker on the vinyl setting. So I'll switch you over to the camera so you can see our spooky glasses. Okay, I'm not very good at like being spooky or funny or whatever. So let's just get to the camera. Alright, so I got these wine glasses at the Dollar Tree, and I love their wine glasses in general, but I love these because they're kind of like black and they're kind of spooky, so I think they're perfect for the holiday season. So while I'm cutting my vinyl, I just want to let these dry, so I'm just putting a little bit of rubbing alcohol on these just to get off any dirt or oils or whatever might be on these, and they are good to go, so they're just gonna dry. And I forgot to mention in my other videos where I'm doing like glassware, they are not dishwasher safe. However, you can wash them. They will last if you gently wash them with just regular cold water. Don't obviously scrub them, you know, where the vinyl is, but they should last you quite a while if you take care of them. No soaking, don't put them in the dishwasher, but other than that, they're totally easy to take care of. So to start our glasses, I'm using a piece of vinyl stuck to me. I'm using this black 6x1 that I got from Auntie Tay. So we're just going to load our mat. I'm cutting this with the regular vinyl setting. take this black vinyl off, and now we'll cut our orange vinyl. Just put this on our mat. And we'll cut it, and while that's cutting, we will start weeding this black vinyl. Alright, so I'm just gonna start by peeling off a corner here and just carefully pulling the excess away. And I'm making 2 of these, so it's gonna look like I cut out 2 of the same thing. Alright, now I'm just gonna weed out these middles. I think coffee mugs and wine glasses are like some of my favorite things to do, just because, like, I think I mentioned this in my other video, like they're so simple, and they're just like, they can really make things like festive in an easy way. It doesn't have to cost a lot of money. So that's just me. So these are good to go. Let's peel off our orange. And now I'm going to use this little piece of cream. This came in the Anti-Tay Best Day Ever vinyl pack, I believe. So this is going to cut out, I think there is like a little like yellow ghost or something. So while that's going, we can start weeding the rest of this. Okay, that ghost took like 2 seconds. Okay. Oh. All right. So we have our booze finished. Got our little ghosts. And now I found this little scrap because there's one more ghost. I almost forgot, on this black piece, there's like little ghost eyes that we're gonna want to use. All right, so these are our other two little ghosts. So we're done cutting. Now we can start putting our glasses together. All right, so now we can start assembling our glasses. So I'll bring this down a little bit so you can see. So I'm gonna start with, actually I think I'm gonna start with this one so I could see where exactly I wanna put this on the bottom, and then I'll work my way up because I don't want it to get too low, because then you kind of lose it with the curvature of the glass. So I think right there's good. So we're gonna tear a piece of our transfer tape. This is on Auntie Tay's website. It's basically, right now, the only stuff that I use. I love this stuff. I get questions on it all the time. And all you have to do is just slap it right on your vinyl and then just peel away. And it's super duper easy to use. And it really, really just works like magic. I love this stuff so much. Okay, so we're going to put this kind of down right here. So I like to start in the middle, and then with this, since there's like a weird curvature, I'm just gonna use my fingers and just kind of like smooth it out. The hard thing with glasses, wine glasses actually, is avoiding bubbles, air bubbles. So I think using your fingers to kind of spread it out, or smooth it out rather, is easier than the scraping tool. So once you have it all smooth, then you can kind of go and add some pressure with the scraper. So we're just gonna peel this up, and I like to kind of like press and peel. And then you can kind of go, and if there's any air bubbles, you can kind of just smooth them out. So we have the booze there, and now I'm gonna just use a new piece of transfer tape. Now we can add the here for the text right above it. All right, so this we'll just put right on top of it, or not on top, but above it rather. All right, so I'm gonna press it in the middle and then just kind of work my way out. And then I'll go back with my scraper once it's all smooth. And then we'll peel, and like I said, I like to kind of like press and peel. So cute. So then we just have these little ghosts, and I think like in the video I did with the coffee mugs, these I'm really just going to put on like stickers, and I'm just going to press them wherever I kind of want to. So we have the green one, and then we have the yellow one. And then we have the little eyes over here, which I really don't know. I don't really know which goes to which, but I don't think it really matters personally. So I'm just applying these like a sticker. So cute. Then just kind of press those on there. So cute. All right, so now I'll do the other one and then we'll be finished. All right, so we have our super cute festive wine glasses. So cute, affordable, easy, love it. Like I said, you can use my code. It is an affiliate code on Auntie Tay's site for 10% off. It's the Craft Scraps all lowercase. I'll leave it in the description box below. And happy crafting and happy October.